First question. Ready?
Yeah.
Why did you choose me? Why did you look at this little girl, or not girl, this little small-bodied woman to become your wife?
Honestly, when we look by him, I never look by it as becoming my wife. if I want honesty. But they just look by him and I say, I never see that girl late in high school. I'm that why. And
Hi, welcome to our channel, The Andersons. Like, subscribe, and share. Welcome.
So tonight we're doing a very interesting video. So the title of this video is Get to Know Us While We Get to Know Ourselves. Right?
Yes.
So that simple meaning is we'll be asking each other 5 questions, which is what this little piece of paper is for. She don't know the question I'm gonna ask. I mean, I know the question I'm gonna ask neither. So let's just hope she not ask me nothing I can't answer, because I definitely gonna ask her some questions I need some answers for.
And please don't ask no questions that is like out there.
So how we are gonna decide who go first now? We never think about this before we start the video.
Man make first.
Yeah, but our ladies are listening to go first.
No. Man make first, man.
What rock, paper, scissors? You don't know if we play rock, paper, scissors?
I think that.
Alright.
Rock, paper, or short.
Hold on, so upon 3. 1, 2, 3. Me win. You go first.
Whatever. Okay. First question. Ready?
Yeah.
Why did you choose me? Why did you look at this little girl, or not girl, this little small-bodied woman to become your wife?
Honestly, when we look by him, I never look by it as becoming my wife. if I want honesty. But they just look by him and I say, I never see that girl late in high school. I'm that why. And then she up to my wife.
That's it.
Yeah, pretty much. Because I like somebody talk to the intention based to say, get married and have a child.
Alright, and fine. After we started talking and all of that, when?
Our question number 2 is our question.
That I second part of the question. One question of 2 parts.
One question of 2
When
parts.
did you really realize that, okay, I could be that woman?
Okay, to be honest, is after I find myself can't stop thinking about it. Because alright, so this so remember now the title of the video is Get to Know Us While We Get to Know Ourselves. Because people say it all the time, and friends and family and things say, like we have a perfect relationship, but actually that's not the case. Because at the time they talked to her, she was actually a side chick at
I
first.
was never a side chick.
You just never know.
Well,
Yeah, you just never know. Yeah, she was actually a side chick. And then the main chick at the time, it just never worked out. Based because of she actually, because
and I mean,
she did kind of just sprung a general, and then we did end up just have to just make a main chick know say you're gone. Demotion. And then 2008, yeah, almost 10 years after. I wonder if I stupid so they could get me. But anyways, my question though. Question number 1 is a very, very simple question. And that question is simple. What do you like most about me?
Most. And what everybody likes about you.
No, everybody like about me. What you like about me?
The fact that you're an outgoing, you're an extrovert, you're an extrovert. That is one of the most attractive things to me.
So that's enough.
Yeah, you know. You're very enough. But that is one of the things that, yeah.
Okay, fair enough.
The fact that you could command by just talking, you could just command a crowd. You have that
Mm.
prime minister.
She likes them enough,
You know,
which is very strange. But okay, your time.
Weird, but yeah. My time. All right. Which body parts do you like most on me?
Ask about the question.
Which of my body parts do you like the best?
You sure you want to ask that right, Esther?
Not that part. Must be something else.
But that part of your body?
It must have something, but must be something else.
Alright. Actually, if I forgot to choose something else, which would I suggest something non-sexual, but I'd probably say your lips. Yes. She have nice lips. Show them your lips. Yeah. She have nice lips, so but I said definitely your lips. So. But try 60 top. But anyways. Question number 2 is, which one of your exes do you miss the most?
You want me to go down your line? Answer number 1, number 2, number 3. What you want me to do?
You better answer a question.
Which one we miss most?
Question number 2.
There's no, everybody's on the same level. I don't miss none.
Oh, smart answer. Give her a round of applause.
Me not miss no ex.
Give her, if she didn't ever answer, but I was like off the camera, I'm just gonna deal with some other stuff right
X
now.
mean X.
Okay.
X and X are X.
Okay,
Not
you see,
what
that's what I'm
means.
worried. Anyways, your question.
Okay. Do you want to have another child?
Do I want to have another child?
Yeah.
But I say it depends.
On?
Right now, like how the world going right now and and stuff, but I said no, I don't want to have another child. But we don't know the future will. And probably that I'll get lonely after a few years and
It's a fine initial stage or 2 me want.
you'll answer my question.
2 me want.
Move answering the question
Me
that
not
was
say what
directed
me
to
want.
me.
Me ask you, but me I hear your opinion. But me not say 2 me want.
Answer the question that was directed to me.
Mm.
No, I'd say no, but I don't know what the future holds, so it might be a yes. Clear enough?
No.
Well, I only answer that again. Question number 3. Well, I'm not trying to figure out mine right quick. If you could have sex with one other person other than me, with no damage to your relationship, who would that be? I have to choose somebody. Just don't say Usher. You can come and say all of the ladies man would say Usher, but and
I can't choose. Right.
and not to say that it's gonna happen because it's not gonna happen. It's a fictional world. It might be a woman or a man. Put that in there. Make sure you think about it. Get a minute.
Come back with a different question. That strike me.
So you did want to make up my question then?
Yes. Another person in the world.
Babes. Or
Nobody
answer the question, man.
here. I don't really look for nobody. I don't look for nobody if you say alright.
Alright, ask the question.
You know something that
She get a free pass because she tread carefully. But that's okay.
oh God. What thing or what little thing do I do that drives you nuts but you still like about me? You understand? What are the things that I do? Or what are the small things that I do that drives you nuts but you still
Like about you?
like, yeah.
Like some very small things actually, like for example like the other day I spread the bed and as I spread the bed we're going ahead and then you'll be like you spread up half of the bed. You should spread up half of by the ways, you spread up half of the bed. And yeah, that kind of the job, still, but yeah, it's fun and it shows how they have humor and I like that. In terms that it's not always structured and it's not always perfect. So I like the imperfections in other way. So the imperfections is what I like most about you. Yes.
Yeah.
Which question will I know? Number 3 or number 4?
Number 4.
Number 4. Okay. If you could change one thing about me, what would that thing be?
The fact that you're stubborn. Yeah, drink water. Your throat dry. Yeah, you're very stubborn. And it's like, you are very stubborn.
Yes, but I don't even know where I thought I was stubborn.
Really?
Yes, really, but I'm
Ask
stubborn.
anybody.
But may I ask you?
Ask anybody, you are like stubborn.
So, okay. Say that change the facts I'm stubborn. Okay. This is your question now. This is the last question I have?
Last question.
Okay.
Which girl did I talk to on the phone last night?
Oh?
Huh?
Repeat the question.
I didn't stutter. You the right yes. Which girl did I talk to last night on the phone?
Yeah, you might talk to girl last night on the phone? That's okay, your question. Ask another question.
That's my question.
That's your question. Which girl did I talk to last night on the phone? I wasn't talking to no girl on the phone last night. I was talking to a woman on the phone last
Which
night.
woman?
My sister.
I know your sister.
So since I know who me that talk to, why I asked who me that talk to? I was talking to my sister last night on the phone and I whisper, but cried I sleep, I'm never gonna wake you.
Wow.
Yes. My question now. What would you do if I told you I cheated?
Kill you. Yeah.
This is for the team. So people.
So.
When the ear she said.
No, I wouldn't kill you.
Oh! With the open turn up then. With the open turn up then, otherwise it's up on the tip. Okay. So what would you do if I told you I cheated?
No, I'm sorry. If you told me that you cheated, honestly, I think I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. I can't think of anything else without kill you.
Oh man. Okay. Well, that's not gonna happen. That's never ever gonna happen. So you're not worried about that. I think. Yeah. So. Yeah, ask me some either question still. I'm gonna get one of my questions and answer. So apart from that, people, I hope you guys find some form of humor in this just now because I did actually, and the thing is, I never know the question that Sugar asks, and she never know the question that me gonna ask. Like, subscribe, share, definitely the Andersons, original Jamaicans in Canada. Don't forget, be safe, keep your hand clean. Don't cough on nobody. And don't sneeze in public. Fun and joke aside, keep yourself safe, keep your family safe, and big up on yourself.